Meow, it's good to see you all today. Welcome to another exam time for basic Chinese. And the content of today's exam gonna be vocabularies from lesson 48 to lesson 50 and also some random vocabs between lesson 1 to lesson 47. So in order to do better in this exam, you guys must watch lesson 1 to lesson 50 videos. The first question: which one is the hand of Tung? Is it A, B, C, or D? A is Bei, B is Nan, C is Tung, and D is C. Tung here is C. The next question: which one is the hand of Tui? Do you guys still remember? A is La, B is Tui, C is Da, and D is Hua. So Tui here is B. The next one: which one is the hand of Shan Diao? I will give you time to recall first. A is Shan Diao, B is Ji Hua, C is Dong Xi, and D is Fang Xiang. Shan Diao here is A. Another question here: which one is the hand of Fa Lü? Which one do you think is the right answer, guys? A is Gu Ding, B is Li Wu, C is An Mo, and D is Fa Lü. Fa Lü here is D. Moving on to the next question: which one is the hand of Dong Shizang? Do you guys remember or not? A is Guo Qingjie, B is Dong Shizang, C is Jian Bu Dao, and D is Xi Hongshi. And the right answer for this question is B, Dong Shizang. Moving on to the next one: which one is the hand of Yao? If you guys cannot remember, just try to guess first. A is Se, B is Hua, C is Yao, and D is Gao. And the correct answer for this question is C, Yao. Another question here: which one is the hand of Dong Jie? Which one do you think is the correct answer? A is 冻结 B is 干燥 C is 湿润 and D is 容易 And the right answer for this question is A, 冻结 The next one, which one is the Hanzi of 颜色? I will give you time to think. A is 白金 B is 钢铁 C is 金子 and D is 银子 The right answer for this question is D, 银子 And that's all for today's exam. It wasn't that difficult, right? How many questions did you guys get right? And I will see you guys on our next exam.